next thing up is plugins. So like I said before, plugins give us extra functionality in our website. They're like um, adding an extra engine, that'll adding a turbo button in your car. I don't know. I don't know anything about cars. I should stay away from cars when I'm trying to do analogies. Um, at any rate, they give us some extra function. So, for example, um, this little thing here that displays our Twitter feed, this is a plugin because it's going and getting our feed from Twitter, anything we've posted. I think it does the last 10 things we've posted and cycles through them. So that's a plugin because it's extra functionality. Our sales system also is a plugin. So when you go to a class here, let's go. Oh, that's not a class. Hold on. When we go to, let's say, this Ableton One class, all of this is generated by a plugin. So you select what you want. You can put in a discount code if it's a code we've created on the back end. Put in your name, some questions that we'd like to know. How did you hear about us, and your zip code for some tracking stuff. And then you hit submit, and here it's going to say, I need more information. Oh, no, it didn't. So this is basically your ticket to the event. And then on the back end, it gives us like a roster of who's coming to that event. If they've paid, it accepts payment for us once you hit this confirm registration. Anyway, this is all plugin stuff. It's great. Really handy to use. Another plugin we use is our online courses. So this will like feed you courses. I'm logged in now, so it says only courses that I've paid for. So here's this music theory course. We could take it if we wanted, and it serves up the course based on who's paid for it. So these are all plugins. There are a million plugins. There's tons and tons of plugins. So let's look at how we would get into our plugins. So you would go in your dashboard. You would go here to plugins. I'm just going to click on the main plugins button. And this shows us what we have installed already. So I'm going to go to add new. Now you can go out and search the internet for plugins and find plugins and install them. However, there's not a big need to do that. For all the plugins that I use, I just search right here, right inside WordPress, and you can find pretty much everything you want in it. So, like let's say we want to install a Twitter plugin. I'm just going to search Twitter here and find me a bunch of Twitter plugins. There's going to be a ton of them. So there are 3,200 Twitter plugins. This one is called Twitter. It's rated very well. It's got a lot of versions, which means there's been updates and everything to it. This is what it does. We can click some details and look at how actually it works, how to install it, some screenshots of what it will look like. Which looks pretty good. Maybe that's what I want. And if I do want it, I can click install now. I don't really need this quite yet. So that's how plugins work. They add extra functionality. Now the main thing that we're going to do first is we're going to install a plugin that'll let us sell stuff. That'll let us accept credit cards and create products. Now products for you might be a downloadable track. Products might be a piece of art. They might be a like CD that you've made that you're gonna like physically sell. It might be a ceramic bowl that you made. So we're gonna create these all as products. We're gonna sell them through a plugin. We're gonna have that plugin calculate tax, shipping, all that stuff, sales reports. It's a piece of cake, actually. So now that we know what plugins are, let's dive in and build ourselves a whole sales system using a very simple plugin. So we'll do that in the next video.